Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Meet your new go-to for flawless finishes, the dual-action random 360-degree rotating sanding base plate. Designed to rotate and vibrate simultaneously, it delivers a natural, trace-free surface while boosting your grinding efficiency by 30%. This versatile tool comes with 18 premium 5-inch sanding discs in 6 grit levels from coarse to fine, so you can effortlessly remove paint from wood, metal, or plastic. The hook and loop disc attachment, reinforced with over 35,000 durable hooks, ensures a secure grip every time. Engineered with convenience in mind, the sander features 8 vacuum holes and an advanced dust bag that not only collects debris more effectively than traditional dust boxes, but also prevents dust from reaching the motor, extending its life. Compact, lightweight, and wrapped in soft rubber to reduce vibration and fatigue, this tool is perfect for any DIY enthusiast. A robust pure copper motor runs up to 13,000 RPM with a maximum power of 2.5 amps, and its superior heat resistance and cooling system ensure long-lasting performance. At only $500 yet packing features worth over $1,000, the Xtool D8S is your affordable ticket to professional-grade diagnostics. Designed for mechanics, workshops, and home DIYers alike, this bidirectional OBD2 scanner and upgrade from the D7 series delivers one-stop solutions for 99% of vehicles. It offers over 4,000 active tests, full system topology mapping, 38+ resets, advanced ECU coding PMI, and live data graphing across 8 PIDs. Plus, it supports CAN FD IP protocols, pre-post scans, and detailed diagnostic report sharing in 15 languages. Engineered for leading brands like BMW, Ford, and Mercedes, the D8S unlocks hidden car functions, enabling precise tasks such as fuel trim resets and throttle modulation. With a robust Android 10 system, quad-core 1.8 GHz CPU, and a long-lasting battery, this scanner saves you time and money on repairs. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Econour's advanced windshield snow cover redefines vehicle protection across every season. Expertly engineered to shield your windshield from heavy snow, frost, blizzards, and sleet, it transforms chilly winter mornings into stress-free beginnings. With generous dimensions of 74 by 43 inches, this cover fits a wide range of vehicles from full-size SUVs and pickup trucks to station wagons and minivans, ensuring complete and snug coverage. But its benefits extend well beyond winter. It also guards against the blazing summer sun, unexpected rain showers, and even the cascade of fallen leaves in autumn, keeping your car in pristine condition all year round. Featuring dual-mount straps that secure the mirror, a robust PVC insulated bottom, and innovative side flaps, this cover stays firmly in place no matter the weather. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric, paired with a soft, waterproof PVC layer, Econour's windshield cover delivers exceptional longevity and reliable protection, making it a must-have accessory for any car owner seeking year-round peace of mind. Imagine a tire inflator that redefines convenience and precision. The X8 Apex can inflate a 26.3-inch tire on a mid-sized car in just 56 seconds, with an accuracy down to a single PSI. Fast and reliable, it's the ideal choice when every second counts. Built to perform in outdoor conditions, the X8 Apex runs continuously for 40 minutes on a full charge. Thanks to its innovative cooling system, you can pump up to 16 tires in one session without pausing for cooldowns. With 4 preset inflation modes and 3 unit options, you simply choose your setting and let the machine do the rest, automatically stopping once the desired pressure is reached. An 18.11-inch anti-scalding, high-pressure hose effortlessly handles tires up to 31.8 inches at 150 psi, even from challenging angles. Plus, this all-in-one device doubles as a power bank and flashlight. A 2-mode LED light illuminates your work in the dark, while integrated USB-C and USB-A ports ensure your phone stays charged. The X8 Apex is truly the ultimate emergency tool for any driver. Step into a cleaner, more protected ride with these innovative floor mats. Designed with unique linear and diagonal ridges inside a deep dish, they expertly trap water, snow, mud, and debris, keeping every drop and speck from entering your vehicle. Tailor-made for a perfect fit, simply trim along the marked lines with a pair of scissors. Their universal design suits most cars, SUVs, and minivans, with front mats measuring 27 meters by 18 meters and rear mats 17 by 52 meters, ensuring versatility for various vehicle types. Crafted from advanced performance rubber polymers, these mats are rigorously tested to withstand extreme conditions without cracking, splitting, or deforming. They're odorless, even in high heat, promising a comfortable ride for all passengers. Equipped with rubberized nibs on the bottom for a secure hold and ergonomic grooves on top for added traction, these durable, heavy-duty mats are engineered to keep your car's interior immaculate, no matter the weather. Elevate your driving experience with the Sinkwire Magsafe car vent mount, a masterful blend of style and reliability. Expertly constructed from high-grade, heat-resistant plastic and a robust metal hook, this mount guarantees lasting stability. Its sleek metallic finish and genuine carbon fiber accents pay homage to luxury supercars, while 16N52-grade neodymium magnets secure your phone with magnetic forces reaching up to 12N for iPhones 13, 15, 15N for MagSafe cases, and 25Ns for metal rings. The extended metal hook, 50% longer than typical designs, adapts to both horizontal and vertical vents and features an anti-over-tightening clamp to protect your vent blades. A 360-degree rotatable ball joint lets you effortlessly set your ideal viewing angle, ensuring smooth, hands-free navigation and calls, all while maintaining uninterrupted signal reception and optimal airflow. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Revamp your vehicle's power setup with this versatile multi-socket adapter. Designed to support your GPS, dash cam, and a variety of portable devices in both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles. Featuring 3 dedicated sockets and dual USB charging ports with a total output of 3.1 amps, you can rapidly power up 2 devices simultaneously. Thanks to the built-in Smart IC technology, each device is automatically detected for the fastest possible charge. The cigarette lighter comes with its own energy-saving switch, while real-time battery voltage monitoring helps prolong battery life. With a built-in fuse and smart recognition chip, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection are all taken care of. Plus, the 2.3 feet extension cord makes it easy for backseat passengers to stay connected. Universal compatibility with cars, SUVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles, along with a 2-year warranty, means you can buy with confidence. Rev up your drive with our innovative car sunglass holders, designed to add both convenience and style to your ride. This package includes 2 versatile holders that fit nearly every car model. Simply clip one onto your visor, and you're set for the road ahead. Our thoughtfully engineered cloth handle lets you effortlessly open the magnetic flap with one hand, so you can quickly stow your sunglasses and retrieve them whenever needed. Crafted from premium high-quality leather, each holder boasts a soft, luxurious texture that delicately cradles the clip, protecting both your visor and your shades from any scratches or damage. Car Visor has been enhanced the design by upgrading the elastic cloth at the end, ensuring easy access to all types of glasses while securely stabilizing them without harming the frames. Enjoy a seamless blend of functionality and elegance every time you drive. Experience premium style and practicality with our PU leather front seat covers, designed to elevate your vehicle's interior. Crafted from robust, scratch and wear-resistant material, these covers are waterproof and a breeze to clean. Just a soft, damp cloth restores their fresh look. The Rebound composite fabric offers a luxuriously soft feel while delivering exceptional resilience for a smoother drive. With a non-slip backing and an anti-slip rubber pad, they stay securely in place, reinforced by sturdy hooks and clips. The sleek, streamlined design contours perfectly to your seat, replacing bulky cushions with modern elegance. Thoughtfully engineered to preserve the safety belt lock and maintain airbag compatibility, they even include handy storage pockets for essentials like phones and wallets. Ideal for most vehicles, they seamlessly blend functionality with contemporary style. Enjoy the perfect fusion of safety, convenience, and flair on every drive. Electric vehicle experience with our cutting-edge Tesla to J1772 adapter. Specially engineered to connect your J1772 equipped EV to Tesla and North American charging standard stations. This adapter lets you tap into an expansive network of over 15,000 charging points. With support for up to 48 AV current and a maximum voltage of 250 volts, it's the only adapter on the market built for such high power demands. Seamlessly compatible with Tesla high-powered wall connectors, every generation of destination chargers, and mobile connectors, this compact yet rugged accessory is designed for on-the-go lifestyles. Keep it handy in your car for quick, efficient charging wherever your journey takes you. Moreover, with SGS certification under the UL 2251 standard, you can trust that this adapter meets the highest safety guidelines while delivering reliable performance every time you charge. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Meet your new go-to for flawless finishes, the dual-action random 360-degree rotating sanding base plate. Designed to rotate and vibrate simultaneously, it delivers a natural, trace-free surface while boosting your grinding efficiency by 30%. This versatile tool comes with 18 premium 5-inch sanding discs in 6 grit levels from coarse to fine, so you can effortlessly remove paint from wood, metal, or plastic. The hook and loop disc attachment, reinforced with over 35,000 durable hooks, ensures a secure grip every time. Engineered with convenience in mind, the sander features 8 vacuum holes and an advanced dust bag that not only collects debris more effectively than traditional dust boxes, but also prevents dust from reaching the motor, extending its life. Compact, lightweight, and wrapped in soft rubber to reduce vibration and fatigue, this tool is perfect for any DIY enthusiast. A robust pure copper motor runs up to 13,000 RPM with a maximum power of 2.5 amps, and its superior heat resistance and cooling system ensure long-lasting performance.